Let's see here. In no particular order, graduating today, Mr. Charles. Didn't know that.
I don't know by my first name.
Brandon.
Who's Charles?
Charles.
Downs.
Yeah.
Who's the coach, Charlie Brown?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, picture later.
Huh?
First video.
Oh,
Later.
we're doing the videos first. Okay, so you're in the video already. Next. God, I'm going to butcher this. But I'm going to try, my friend. Thiago Manginetti.
I know that guy.
Matheus Augusto Gallardo. Mr. Jonathan Levi Depew. Hollywood.
El Chapo.
Good.
Chapo.
El Chapito.
Bueno. El Chapo Blanco.
Mr. Jose Nieves. Fernando. And last but not least, Mr. 5 weeks so far himself, Mr. Joshua Hafler.
Thank you for everything.
You're very welcome.
Thanks, guys.
Group?
Come on in here, guys. We're going to get everybody in here first. We want a group photo with everybody. Graduates and everybody that's here next week, and the week after that, and the week after that, and so on. Everybody just kind of mix in here and gather in. And
Size order, guys. Size order.
considering we got a pretty good sized group this week.
Can you guys carry me in the front?
Now you got to do the Dean King pose. Make sure the logo's showing. For those of y'all that actually wore your shirts today, like.